The key items to consider for a ship owner in selecting a ballast water treatment system is to make sure that the system design limitation actually meet the vessel trading routes. A ballast water treatment system should help the owner to meet their emission goals, and it should be a simple to operate system with reasonable maintenance requirements, and overall should not cause extra additional headache to the ship owner. Power demand of ballast water treatment system becomes a more important item when looking at carbon footprint. Obviously, a lower power demand for a ballast water treatment system also means a reduced carbon footprint. With the Eco1 ballast water treatment system, we have done a good job in that respect. The Eco1 system has an exceptionally low power demand, probably one of the lowest power demands in the industry. For example, a 3000 cubic meter per hour system has a power demand of only 10 kilowatts. Its efficacy is not affected in any way by ballast water quality, by water temperature, turbidity or salinity. It's a very simple and reliable system. Basically, we have tried to avoid all of the typical ballast water treatment system headaches. We don't have TRO sensors that need to be calibrated, we don't have UV lamps that have to be replaced, and there are no complex power supplies. So all in all, the system matches these specifications very well. The main thing I would change in the shipping industry is the perception that type-proofed ballast water treatment system is equivalent to constantly meeting regulatory compliance. We very often see the case that ballast water treatment systems were selected for cost only, and after some time the ship's crews, the ship's owners face technical and operational challenges because the system design limitations were not matched to the vessel routing, and thus challenging water qualities make the system very hard to operate for the crew and may even result in improperly treated ballast water discharges. In that respect, or if this happens, it's important for the crew for the ship owner to contact the maker of the ballast water treatment system and try to find solutions to that problem. If that is not possible, or the ballast water system maker in the meantime went out of business, the only options would be to change the vessel routing, to change the charterer, or maybe even to sell the ballast water treatment system. It was also possible to retrofit a ballast water treatment system, which is probably not as expensive like the first initial installation of a ballast water treatment system, because of a lot of the components like foundations, like piping systems, can be reused. And this is a very good opportunity also to look for a reliable, simple to operate and energy efficient ballast water treatment system. As a maker of ballast water treatment systems, we know the importance of reliable technology. Already in 2001, Ecochlor has introduced the Ecochlor ballast water treatment system, which is already an exceptionally simple and power efficient, energy efficient system to operate. And in the meantime, we have continued to improve our technology, to expand our portfolio. For example, in 2021, we introduced the filterless and hybrid Eco1 ballast water treatment system. Filterless means that the installation time, for example, was reduced by around 25%, which means the vessel has to spend around 1 week less in dry dock. It also significantly reduces the impact or the requirements for cabling, for piping by around 40%. So installation got a lot easier, and additionally the power demand was further reduced. In 2022, we introduced the Eco1 container system, which is aimed specifically at the offshore industry and at vessels that are ballasting only occasionally. For example, semi-submersible rigs have very unique ballasting requirements. They are ballasting only by gravity. They have 4 different sea chests to treat the ballast water simultaneously, and the Eco1 container can do that. It's simple to install, requires only 1-inch piping to be installed, and since it is a mobile container, it can be shared between multiple vessels. We have recently also added some more green partnerships which help ship owners to comply with their emission goals, to reduce their carbon footprint, and to increase vessel efficiency. Among these technologies, for example, are the Armada Pulse air lubrication technology and the Sinotec carbon capture and storage technology. Yes, first of all, of course, we will continue to supply reliable and easy to operate energy efficient ballast water treatment systems to the market, both for retrofits but also for new buildings. But we are adding a number of green technologies to our portfolio to reduce carbon footprint for ships. One of these technologies is the Armada Pulse technology. This is a 2nd generation air lubrication technology. It does not require compressors, which reduces the parasitic energy demand of those systems significantly. The Armada Pulse is almost independent of sea state, so it delivers a constant and consistent reduction in fuel consumption between 7 and 10%, probably even more. The 2nd technology that we have added to our portfolio is the Sinotec carbon capture and storage technology. This is an innovative and energy efficient way to capture carbon dioxide, to remove carbon dioxide from the vessel's exhaust gas. It can be installed as a standalone CCS system, or it can be used in combination with an existing or new scrubber. A custom-made amine solution has a 25% lower temperature requirement for regenerating the solution, which overall minimizes the energy demand per ton of captured carbon dioxide. There are already over 50 systems in operation for land-based power stations, so this is a proven technology that we are now rolling out to the maritime world. The last technology that we have in our portfolio is the nano-vapor VOC and gas-freeing technology. The nano-vapor unit is a tool to suppress the formation of VOC, of volatile organic components, in enclosed spaces and in tanks, for example, for maintenance, for crew access, for tank cleaning. The nano-vapor unit accelerates the gas-freeing process of those enclosed spaces and tanks up to 90% without sacrificing vessel safety. So it's a great tool to reduce idle time for crew and for vessels, to reduce hazardous emissions to the environment, and overall improve the efficiency of the ship and its crew.